What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric skateboards that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The WowGo 2S Max is a versatile commuting solution designed for riders of all skill levels. With its powerful 216 Wh battery and dual 550 Watt hub motors, this e-longboard offers a thrilling top speed of 28 miles per hour and an impressive range of 14.3 miles, making it ideal for campus commuting or urban travel. Crafted with a combination of fiberglass, maple wood, and bamboo, the 38-inch deck provides a sturdy yet flexible platform for riders weighing up to 330 pounds. Equipped with 105mm wheels, the skateboard ensures a smooth ride across various flat surfaces while maintaining stability and grip. The high-speed hub motors deliver rapid acceleration, enabling riders to tackle gentle hills and even climb steep slopes of up to 30 degrees with ease. The 50-degree board truck enhances stability at high speeds while allowing for agile maneuvers at lower speeds, thanks to its shock-absorbing design. For enhanced control and maneuverability, the skateboard features a Hobbywing ESC4 control system, ensuring precise handling and a smooth ride experience, particularly beneficial for beginners. With its blend of performance, durability, and safety features, the WowGo 2S Max offers a reliable and enjoyable commuting option for riders seeking convenience and excitement in their daily travels. Whether navigating through traffic or cruising across campus, this electric skateboard provides a fun and efficient means of transportation for riders of all levels. The Meepo Voyager sets a new standard in electric longboarding, offering unparalleled speed, range, and control for riders seeking the ultimate thrill. With its 2,700 Watt 2-belt motor system and premium bamboo and fiberglass deck, it delivers exceptional performance and durability. Capable of reaching an impressive top speed of 40 miles per hour, the Voyager ensures an exhilarating ride experience. Its remarkable 31-mile range makes it perfect for long-distance cruising, while its ability to conquer steep hills with a 46% grade sets it apart from other electric skateboards. Featuring 4 riding modes from beginner to pro, riders can customize their experience to suit their skill level and preferences. The ESC provides smart and precise control over acceleration and brakes, enhancing the overall riding experience. The Voyager's deck, crafted from high-quality bamboo and triaxial fiberglass, strikes the perfect balance between flexibility and stiffness, offering both comfort for long rides and responsiveness for aggressive maneuvers. With its 330-pound load capacity, it accommodates riders of all sizes. Designed for reliability and endurance, the Voyager boasts a Super 12S 3P battery that stays cool even during aggressive riding sessions, eliminating range anxiety and power shortages. Additionally, it is compatible with Cyclone 110mm rubber wheels, providing versatility to ride on various terrains with ease. In summary, the Meepo Voyager is the ultimate all-round board, offering unmatched range, speed, and control for riders who crave the thrill of electric longboarding. With its cutting-edge features and superior craftsmanship, it sets a new standard for performance and versatility in the electric skateboard market. The RazorX Cruiser caters to riders aged 9 and above, offering an exhilarating experience. With a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a runtime of up to 40 minutes on a single charge, it ensures extended enjoyment on the go. Its deck length of approximately 29.7 inches provides a comfortable and stable platform, ideal for leisurely cruising. Powered by a 125-watt motor, this electric skateboard delivers lithium-ion-powered action, allowing riders to zip around at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour for continuous use over 40 minutes. The inclusion of a wireless remote with a wrist strap enables precise control over variable speeds, enhancing the carving and turning experience. Featuring high-grip urethane wheels and custom reverse kingpin trucks, the RazorX Cruiser ensures stability and maneuverability. Its perforated grip tape adds to rider confidence, while the geared rear-wheel drive system enhances performance. Designed for ages 9 and older, this skateboard can support riders weighing up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. With 80mm wheels and a 115-watt hub motor, it strikes a balance between portability and power, offering an electrifying ride for enthusiasts of all levels. Whether cruising around the neighborhood or commuting short distances, the RazorX Cruiser promises an exciting and efficient mode of transportation. The Caroma is a high-performance electric longboard designed to elevate the riding experience for adults and teens, particularly beginners. Boasting a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour and an impressive range of 12 miles, the skateboard provides both excitement and practicality for riders of all levels. Equipped with a powerful 700-watt dual-motor hub system, this electric skateboard ensures smooth acceleration and reliable performance, making it suitable for various riding conditions. Its sturdy maple wood construction and 83mm wheels offer stability and durability, while the deck size of 36 inches provides ample space for comfortable riding. With a built-in intelligent battery management system, the 4,000 mAh lithium battery charges fully in approximately 2 hours, allowing for minimal downtime between rides. Additionally, the skateboard features a smooth braking system and offers 3 cruise speed controls, enabling riders to customize their experience according to their preferences. With a load capacity of 300 pounds, this electric skateboard accommodates a wide range of riders. Its easy carry handle design adds to its portability, allowing users to transport it with ease when not in use. Overall, the Caroma electric skateboard combines power, range, and safety features to deliver an exceptional riding experience for beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring scenic paths, this electric longboard offers a thrilling and enjoyable mode of transportation. The Backfire G2 is designed to provide a thrilling yet safe riding experience for adults and teen beginners. Crafted with a sturdy maplewood deck and boasting a load capacity of 240 pounds, it offers stability and durability for riders of various skill levels. Powered by a 187Wh lithium-ion battery, the Backfire G2 offers an impressive range of 11 to 12.5 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for various scenarios such as college commuting or leisurely city cruising. With a top speed of 24 miles per hour and 96mm wheels, riders can enjoy a smooth and exhilarating ride. Equipped with dual 400-watt motors featuring the new Gen 3 Hobbywing technology, the Backfire G2 ensures smooth acceleration and reliable braking, thanks to its high-quality ESC made by Hobbywing. Novice riders can easily control speeds and brakes via the remote control, enhancing safety compared to traditional skateboards. For added protection, the skateboard comes with tough and durable protective gear with breathable polyester sleeves, ensuring comfort and safety during rides. Additionally, the Backfire app allows riders to connect with others in their area, fostering a community of enthusiasts to skate together. Overall, the Backfire G2 offers a thrilling and secure riding experience, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore electric skateboarding with confidence.